Well, he rocks in the treetop all the day long, rocking and a bopping and a singing his song. All the little birdies on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin, tweet, rockin' robin, tweet, tweet. Go rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Boom, 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 boom. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little birdie in the tall oak tree, the wise old owl, the big black crow, clapping their wings, saying, "Go cat, go rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' robin, tweet, tweet. Go rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight." Boom, 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 boom. The pretty little raven at the bird can't stand taught him how to bop, and baby, it was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. He out-bopped the buzzard and the oriole. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little birdie in the tall oak tree, the wise old owl and the big black crow, just flapping their wings, saying, "Go cat, go rockin' robin, tweet, tweety, rockin' robin, tweet, tweety. Go rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight." Boom, 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 boom. Go rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Boom, 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 boom. Go rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight.